Finally. The legends weren't lying.
Careful, Corin. This place feels expectant.
That clip you just saw? Not Hollywood. It was made 100% for free inside Google Flow, without a single Gemini watermark in sight. Hey everyone, I'm Fred, and welcome back to AI Builders Academy. If you're new here and love discovering the best AI workflows, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm walking you through a complete step-by-step guide on using Google Flow's Storyboard Studio. I'll show you exactly how to easily remove the watermarks and generate cinematic videos from start to finish. Ready to create? Let's dive in. Open your Google Flow. After opening it, click on Tools. You'll see a whole range of tools you can use. Scroll down until you find the one called Storyboard Studio and click on it. Once you click it, you'll see Welcome to Storyboard. Here you can choose from several styles for your video: 3D animation, charcoal, claymation, and more. For this tutorial, I'll use Realistic, since it looks like an actual film. After selecting it, click Get Started. You'll land on the Script board. This is your storyboard, where you can write any idea you want. I go to my Google Doc and copy the film script idea I already prepared. You'll find the link in the description. After copying it, I come back here and paste my film idea, then click Send. The AI immediately starts writing your full film script. And just like that, done. It already created my entire film script. This storyboard tool is genuinely amazing. After the script step, the second step is called Assets. Click on it and you'll see categories like characters, locations, and more. Click Autofill Characters, and right away, you'll see the AI has already created every character used in this story: the girl, the man, the boy, and the dragon snake. Scroll down to Locations and click Autofill Locations. The storyboard creates the image for every location in your story. Then scroll down to Props and click Autofill Props. Wait a few seconds and done. Every prop and material needed for this video is created automatically, including things like bags and more. At this point, your entire asset set is complete. Now let's move to step 3, called Storyboard. Here's the truly amazing part. You can create up to 99 scenes. Imagine that. You could build an entire film up to an hour long, or even longer, all based on your storyboard. For this tutorial, since I want to keep things short and simply show you how it works, I'll choose only 5 scenes. But remember, you can go all the way up to 99. After selecting 5, click Autofill Scene. The AI starts generating an image for every single scene. Wait a few seconds, and there it is. Every scene image has been created completely for free. You genuinely won't believe it. It looks cinematic, looks real, full HD quality. This platform is incredible. Now let me show you something important, the part most people get wrong when trying to animate their scenes. Go back to your script, copy the entire story your storyboard created, and paste it into a new Google document. Then go back to your storyboard, into step 3, and click on Scene 1's image. Copy its frame description. Come back to your document, label it Scene 1, and paste the description underneath. Do the same for Scene 2. Click on it, copy its frame description, come back to your document, write Scene 2, and paste it in. Repeat this for Scene 3. Click the image, copy the frame description, label it Scene 3 in your document, and paste it there. Continue with Scene 4 the same way. Copy its frame description, write Scene 4, and paste it. And finally, for Scene 5, since I only chose 5 scenes for this tutorial, copy its frame description, label it Scene 5, and paste it into your document. Now here's something important. Once every scene description is pasted into your document, go back and download each scene image one by one. Before downloading, rename each image as you save it. Click Save Image and name it something like Scene 1. This helps you clearly identify the first image and keep every scene in order. Do the same for Scene 2. Save it and rename it accordingly. Then Scene 3, Scene 4, and finally Scene 5. Save and rename each one as you go. This step matters because when you go back to your download folder, every image will already be labeled by scene number, so there's no confusion about which image comes first and which comes next. Now for the final and most important step. Go back to your Google document and copy everything you pasted there, all your scene descriptions. You could use Gemini for this next part, but the better option is Claude AI. Go to Claude AI, upload every scene image from your download folder, and paste in your storyboard descriptions. Everything I just showed you. This helps Claude analyze your story and each scene's image, and generate a cinematic video prompt for every single scene that genuinely looks real. Claude will start analyzing everything you've provided. This step matters because Claude creates a much more refined, cinema-quality prompt for each scene. Once it's done, you'll see a complete, polished prompt for every scene. For example, the finished prompt for Scene 1's video. Copy that prompt. Come back to Google Flow and click All Media. Then click the plus sign, followed by Upload Media. Select your Scene 1 image and click Open. Wait for it to load, then click on the image. Paste in the video script/prompt for Scene 1 that Claude generated. Then right-click and select Nano Banana Pro, but make sure you're in image mode. Click on Video, then Get Set, and choose a 16:9 frame ratio. For the number of videos, choose one to save credits. Each 10-second video costs about 15 credits. For the model, choose OmniFlash, since it delivers the best results. Generating a video uses only 15 credits, and Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day, meaning you can create 3 videos daily for free. If you want more, you can use additional email accounts. In this video, I'll also show you exactly how to get your videos without any watermark. In the duration field, I change it from 8 seconds to 10 seconds, then click Send. The AI starts generating your video. And there it is. The first video is done. Let me play it so you can see how it turned out. For Scene 2, follow the same steps. Click Upload Media, select the Scene 2 image, then go back to Claude AI and copy the video prompt for Scene 2. Paste it into Google Flow, set the duration to 10 seconds again, and click Send. The video generates, and you can see the result.
Finally, the legends weren't lying.
Careful, Corin. This place feels expectant.
Repeat this exact process for Scene 3. Click the plus button, Upload Media, select the Scene 3 image, copy the matching video prompt from Claude AI, paste it in, and click Send. Occasionally, generation might fail. If that happens, simply click Retry, and it will complete without any issue. For Scene 4 and Scene 5, I follow the same process, though for these I switch to a different email account to keep generating without running out of daily credits. Now for the step I promised you at the beginning, removing the Gemini watermark from every video, completely free. Click the 3-dot menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. From there, click Discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Erasio Gemini Omni Watermark Remover and search for it. Click Add to Chrome. Let it download, then click Install Extension Only. Go back to Google Flow. Click the 3-dot menu again, select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. You'll see the extension is now active in your Chrome browser. Go back to Google Flow and simply refresh the page. Now click the Erasio button and it will start downloading your video completely without the watermark. Go to Video 1 and download it, completely watermark-free. You can repeat this for every single scene, downloading each photo and video without any watermark, all for free. It's genuinely incredible. Once you've downloaded every video, go to your download folder, select all the scenes you created, and bring them into your editing workspace to combine everything together. From there, you can edit, trim any unwanted sections, and polish your final video. I personally use CapCut for this part. Now, let me play the complete final video for you, covering every scene from 1 through 5. Remember, Scene 4 and 5 were created using a second email account to keep the free credits going. See you in the next one.
Finally, the legends weren't lying.
Careful, Corin. This place feels expectant.
I can't see! It's fused to my hands! Ah!